How to use Google Jamboard. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a quick guide for Google Jamboard. Open your web browser and head to jamboard.google.com or launch the Jamboard app on your mobile device. Sign in with your Google account if needed. Click on the big orange plus button to create a new Jamboard. Give it a catchy title to spark your team's imagination. This is the perfect digital brainstorming haven, so bear with me. Click on the note icon to unleash your ideas. Type your thoughts, questions, or topics on virtual sticky notes. Drag and drop them anywhere and everywhere on the board to organize your brainstorm. Feeling artistic? You can grab the pen tool and unleash your inner doodler. Sketch out ideas, diagrams, or mind maps to visually represent your thoughts. You want to incorporate visuals? Click Insert and choose Image to upload an image from your computer. Click on the Share button in the top right corner to grant editing permissions to invite others to your brainstorm. You can work together in real time, fostering creative collaboration. Explore the Add-ons menu and grid of square icons to discover additional functionalities and supercharge your Jamboard with features like voting tools, timers, or image recognition to enhance your brainstorming sessions. Thanks for watching everyone, and don't forget to subscribe.